Today, we're going to go over how to make a housing payment online. The first thing you want to do is log into My CPP and navigate the left-hand corner under Student Account Balance. From there, click on the green button that is labeled Make a Payment. Once you do that, a drop-down list will appear. Choose Make a Payment, Domestic. A new browser will open up under Commerce CashNet. Once you're in CashNet, you'll be looking for your housing fee. Amounts may vary based on your housing type and options, and your total amount will need to be broken down into 3 separate installments, or you can choose to pay one full installment. For fall semester, your total housing cost, which includes rent and board, should be divided into 3 separate payments. Your first payment must also include the security deposit and the inner hall council fee. If you choose to pay in full, your housing payment must include rent, board, the security deposit, and the inner hall council fee by the first payment due date. For spring semester, your rent and board will again be divided into 3 payments. A $10 installment fee must be included in your first payment. If you pay in full, your payment must include rent, board, and the $10 installment fee by the first payment due date. Be sure to check your housing portal for upcoming payment due dates if you have chosen to make them installments. Pro tip: make sure to save those upcoming payments on calendars so you never miss a payment. Now, let's get back to making your payment. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Checkout. Now, choose your payment method. You can pay by a credit or debit card, a bank account, a 529 savings plan, or an international payment. In the YouTube timeline, select your payment type for a tutorial on how to pay using that type. In this case, we are going to pay with a credit or debit card. Enter in your card details such as your card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing zip code. If you'd like, you can save that card for future use by selecting the checkbox at the bottom and naming it. If you choose to pay with an e-check, select New Bank Account and enter in the account holder's name, account type, routing number, and the bank account number, and check the box to agree to the terms. The routing and account numbers are at the bottom of a physical check or on a banking app. You can save the future account to use in the future. If you choose to pay with the 529 account, select New 529 Savings Plan and select your 529 plan name from the list of available partners. If it is not listed, you will need to pay through your savings plan website. Use school code 001144 when prompted and enter your 529 account number. A $10 service fee will be taken out in addition to the amount you want to pay. If you would like to save your 529 savings plan account, check the next box. Check the box at the bottom to agree to the terms and conditions listed above the checkbox. Click Continue to be redirected to your 529 plan vendor and follow the directions from your vendor. To make an international payment, select International Payment and you will be taken to Flywire. Choose the country the account is based in and enter the payment amount. Then select Next and select your preferred payment. Flywire will automatically show the currency exchange rate from each transfer method. Enter the account holder's information to complete the setup. At the bottom, select the options if you want to receive promotional emails from Flywire and if you agree to the terms and private policy. After you've completed your payment method setup, enter the email address you want the receipt to be sent to. Check where the payment is going. It should be housing found under the summary section. Review your payment details and make sure they are correct. If changes are needed, select the Change button above each section. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation of your payment as it's being processed. Your screen will display the entire amount charged, not just what is applied to the account. Below that is the remaining balance, which includes tuition, orientation, book, and other fees. Your payment receipt number is shown and also sent to the email provided before. You will receive an email containing a summary of the transaction, including the amount paid, where it is applied, transaction information, and date of payment. You are now finished with making your payment for housing online.